I feel for now we would like to move forward. Also speaking on behalf of Federation of All India Medical Association, I would like to thank CM sir for stepping in at the right time, and for the betterment of people of Goa. We have decided that we will not be obstructing any form of hospitable service. Any form of strike will not take place.
Sir, mic थोड़ा अंदर ढको.
Our fight will continue.
Sir, mic थोड़ा अंदर ढको.
Each and every doctor, not just of Goa but of the whole nation, who on daily basis feel threatened, who are abused, or who are sometimes even physically assaulted. My stand still remains the same. Thank you. Patient care has never been hampered and will never be hampered. We always keep in mind that it is the poor patients who suffer at the end. So we will ensure that nothing ever happens, and I expect the people of Goa to trust the doctors of GMC to let us work. I'm not going to speak anything other than this.
Doctor,
thank you so much.
what about the demand for
Okay. Actually, I'm faculty member. The CMOs who have agreed requested me.
ना इंग्लिश घेता रे इंग्लिश
Continue.
ना इंग्लिश घेता सो ऑलरेडी कंपनी ओके.
That was the issue of the CMO was consulted by the health minister, and then one of the issues was health minister should come at the place where he was insulted, and apology should be given. People misinterpreted that appeal. They thought that the CMO, who is a Rudresh, has called HM to his place and apologized. It was not right. We have different idea behind it. Insult was not for the individual. You have seen this video. Not just firing, he went and sat on the chair of the doctor. Insult was that for the chair. So when he called for the apology, it was supposed to be apology for that chair. Now, because of logistics, CM could not go over there. What we did is we hold it everyone accountable. Whatever happened, it was not, our system was not improper, which resulted in whatever that happened. Because see, ultimately it happens because it has become habit. So what we did later on is we brought that chair is over there, where HML said, and as a all collectively apologized, including Singh has apologized that chair for being insulted. But that chair has traditions of 400 years because it's our oldest institution. And any institution, that casualty always starts. And that is the place people are saved, and that cannot be insulted. And I can say with pride, despite whatever that fiasco was, it has seen health ministers telling that person to leave that place or thrown out. That person continued to do his duty till his duty was over. We applauded that gesture of the doctor, and it became almost a lesson for juniors how to stand and protect that chair. So our whatever the demand was, that apology was not for the individual. As far as individual, earlier there was saying that he has done it on the videos, and since it is gazetted officer's issue, it should come in the proper format. So who knows that their health minister office may same content in the proper channels, and that health minister doesn't have to come and meet. That will come through the proper channels.
Yeah, thank you, sir.